Welcome to Learnglish. Today we're going to talk about the difference between two phrases that often confuse learners, kind of or a kind of. Kind of means something isn't exactly a certain way but is a little like that. It's kind of cold today. A kind of is used to refer to a specific category or type of something. A penguin is a kind of bird. In casual speech, kind of often becomes kinda. But a kind of never becomes a kinda. Now let's try. 1. I'm hungry after that workout. Here it means I'm a bit hungry. So we say kind of. 2. She's nervous about the presentation. It means she's somewhat nervous and the correct answer is kind of. 3. Novel is a literature that tells a story. It means novel belongs to literature category, so the correct answer is a kind of. 4. I'm tired after working all day. It means I'm a bit tired, so the correct answer is kind of. 5. Yoga is exercise that focuses on inner peace. You tell me which one to use, kind of or a kind of. Please subscribe for more content.